As I'm sitting at the cafeteria, I see these groups of people and they're always talking to each other. They're always laughing and being social. And I'm sitting there, not really talking to anyone, not progressing at all with my social life, not having anyone I could really call a friend that I could rely on. And they're just always talking to people. And I just think, like, how do they have friends, but I don't? I'm the one working out more. I'm the one doing good habits. They're the one that are kind of toxic. They're the one that scrolls all the time and eats junk food and stuff. Now, I don't think like this anymore because that was a terrible mindset I had for so long. But it really just reminded me how I lived my life a few months ago and a few years ago. I'd always be so envious of what people had that I didn't, and was so confused why so many people had friends, vibrant social circles. But I just had a vibrant social dot. And that dot wasn't even vibrant because I was depressed the whole time. But the answer to my question was so easy, bro. Because they were going out, they were talking to people, they were putting themselves out there, they were walking up to that group of people every single day. And what was I doing? I was sitting at lunch, not talking to anyone around me. I was not going out at all. I was staying inside whenever I got the chance to. And by the way, just to give a little information about me right now, I've been starting to go out more like I am right now. I've been starting to talk to more people and actually put myself out there and have fun and walk up to groups of people. And wow, I feel more social. I have more friends. I have more people I can rely on, and I feel like my social dot is now a circle. There's multiple dots and it connected into this vibrant social circle that I have right now. I'm able to go out with people every single day and have fun. I'm able to talk to people online, in person, at school, at this park, anywhere I go. I'm able to talk to people. What are you doing? Are you going out? Are you constantly talking to people? Are you taking the opportunities that you have in school and actually using that to talk to people? I don't even care if they don't relate to you 100%. Just because nobody fits your perfect ideal mold doesn't mean you shouldn't talk to them. I really wish I heard this a few years ago, a few months ago, because I was just complaining about school. I was complaining about that nobody related to me, but I didn't even talk to them. So how would I know if they related to me or not? I remember I was in the halls in the first floor of school, and we were taking our pictures for picture day. But as we were waiting for the pouring line for the pictures to be taken, there was hundreds of people, not okay, maybe not hundreds, but tens and tens and tens of people all lined up and gathered around waiting for their pictures. And you know what they did? They talked to people. And you know what I did? Absolutely nothing. I did not talk to anyone. So of freaking course I would not have that much friends as them because I just didn't talk to anyone. I feel like it's so simple, and I feel like you are honestly just overcomplicating it. You're too smart. You gotta dumb your brain down a bit. Because those people, they just talk to people. They don't care about the outcome that much. They just go up to people, talk, and actually make more friends because of that. Get more social because of that. They don't overthink about all the little possible scenarios that might happen. And then as soon as I talk to them, it feels so normal. It's like, why haven't I not been doing this? This is literally how humans are supposed to interact. It made me realize they're acting like humans. They're acting like normal creatures that are living healthy. And I'm the one that's secluding myself. It's actually kind of my fault. I accepted the fact that, I'm not that good with talking to people. And then I just started to level it up more. Put myself out there in public situations. Be open to saying yes to more things in my life. Going out here, staying after school to do this. Go on a sports team. I'm about to play lacrosse, bro. It's going to be lit. I'm so glad I'm doing it. Not only is it super fun, I get to work out, be athletic, have a bunch of fun, but I'm going to be so much more social. And it's such a steal, bro. Take advantage of school. Stop complaining about it and talk to someone, right? I don't care what your excuse is. You're focusing on business. Talk to people. You don't have time, talk to people. Talk to people. And even if you can't relate to people, bro, join the like-minded club in the description right now. Hundreds of people are similar to us, and we all want to get better. So if you don't join that, you truly are not even trying. Because do you want to get better? Do you want to get better at talking to people? Do you want to be more social? Do you want to live that dream life that everyone wants? Start talking to people because it's honestly might be your biggest constraint. When you go out, talk to more people, do things every single day to level that up, you're just bound to talk to more people, make more friends. Understand that there are people around you that you can actually relate to. I really hope you can think about this more, because I wish I heard this a few months ago when I was making so many excuses in my life, honestly. I wasn't going out anywhere, I wasn't talking to anyone, I wasn't making an effort to really level up my social part. And I was confused why I didn't talk to any girls or had anything really going for me socially. So join that like-minded club, talk to someone right now, and the next time you go to school, say hi to someone. Dab some more people up. Talk to people, bro. Just talk to people. Alright? Don't overthink it. Just do it. If you want me to help you with bad habits like scrolling all the time, playing video games, not talking to anyone, all those bad habits that make it so much harder to live like a normal human being, I do coaching to help people quit all these bad habits, and I feel like you could be interested in it. Find the time in the link in the description right now. Book a call in that Calendly link. Hope to see you there. And I really became free when I started doing this. So please think about this. Do the algorithm stuff to spread this around. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff, so more people can see this. And wouldn't it be cool if you were able to make a friend because someone else realized they should start talking to more people, and then boom, you interact? And you can also get that in the like-minded club in the description. Click those links right now, bro. Let's go. I'm sorry if that was a little cringe, but I'll see you later, bro. Take care. Peace. Bye-bye.